Ever scroll through homes online and see one with an HOA fee? Even if you love the house, you might take pause and wonder, wait, is that actually worth it? Homeowners Association, better known as HOAs, are super common in newer neighborhoods, especially here in North Carolina. But whether they're a perk or a deal breaker really depends on what you value the most. There are over 370,000 homeowner associations in the US. That's over 40 million households, more than 53% of all owner occupied homes in the country. In North Carolina, what your HOA cover often depends on the type of home you're buying. Here's a breakdown based on guidance from the North Carolina Real Estate Commission. So single family homes, you usually own both the home and the land. And HOAs in these communities, they may handle shared amenities or entrance maintenance, but you're generally responsible for your roof, your siding, and your lawn, everything. Townhomes, you own the entire unit, including the exterior and the land underneath. Many townhome HOAs do cover big ticket exterior items like roof and siding, since the units are all attached and they need consistent maintenance across the row. Condos, you own only the inside of your unit. The building, land, roof, siding, and common areas are all shared among the unit owners and managed by the HOA, which is why condo fees tend to be higher. Now, some people don't want rules about what you can change on the exterior of your house, and here's something that surprises a lot of buyers. In North Carolina, HOAs have the legal power to place a lien on your home for unpaid dues or refusal to comply to the rules, and after 90 days, they can even foreclose on your property. Yes, even if you're current on your mortgage. It doesn't go through a courtroom, they can do it through a non-judicial foreclosure process. Now, that's a lot of power. And I'll be honest, I've lived in one of the most popular areas in our area, and the subdivision didn't have an HOA. At first, I loved the freedom. No dues, no restrictions, but over time it got frustrating because some neighbors, they didn't maintain their lawns. There was some peeling exteriors, and cars were parked up and down the street nonstop. It was like driving through a maze just to get to my driveway. And that's the trade-off. Freedom versus structure. The common benefits of HOAs: it keeps the communities visually appealing and uniform. It offers access for shared amenities like pools and parks. It helps preserve home values, manages disputes, shared expenses, but the potential drawbacks: regular dues that can increase whether you use the amenities or not, restrictions on paint color, fences, landscaping, parking, risk of fine or even foreclosure for non-payment. Some folks love the structure and shared responsibility, but others, they want full control and fewer rules. If you're not sure where you stand, let's talk through together. Whether you rather enjoy the perks and protection of an HOA or skip the rules and go fully independent. Either way, I'm here to help you find your perfect fit. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe.